Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exchange that's making waves in the crypto space. We'll walk through its features, explore the interface step by step, and see how it stacks up against the competition. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this breakdown will help you decide if this exchange deserves a spot in your trading toolkit. Let's get started. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto project. So, your investments are your responsibility.
So, what is KCEX? So, KCEX is a crypto exchange, but not just an exchange. It's built around three core pillars that generally set it apart. First, instantly low fees. So we're talking 0% spot trading fees, 0% maker fees for futures, and just 0.01% for futures takers. Okay? And get this, withdrawals are completely free, no matter the token, no matter the chain. Okay? And second point is no KYC needed. Yes, you heard that right. You can trade freely on KCEX without handing over your ID, and it's accessible in most regions globally. Okay, and the third point is top tier liquidity. So with the liquidity with a huge range of trading pairs, so you'll always find the assets you want to trade, and orders go through lightning fast. So now let's log in and walk through the entire interface together. Okay, so once you land on kcex.com, the interface is super clean and intuitive. At the top you've got deposit, market, spot, futures, event center, and here as you see the wallet, orders, and here you can change language and more options. Okay, so right on the homepage, so you'll see the highlight, the market highlight, trading pairs, and real-time ticker. So everything is designed to keep the information you care about front and center, so without clutter. So it's easy, as you see, guys. As you see, market trading, so you can see here the trading pair, for example, Bitcoin USDT, Ethereum USDT. You can see here the price, the change, the market. Okay, so why choose KCEX? So the first is a safe and reliable trading platform. So industry leading security technology and compliant professional operations ensure that users experience a reliable, smooth, and safe trading environment in real time. Okay, and ecological partners. So KCEX ecological partners immediately receive multiple types of strategic support and share the ecological value of the KCEX platform and the dividends of the digital currency era. Okay, and one-stop trading service. So KCEX provides multilingual, high-quality service 24/7 to over 1 million users in dozens of countries around the world. Okay, so you can trade anywhere with the KCEX application. So you can scan it to download on your phone if you have, so you can download it if you have Android or iOS. So you can find it in iOS, Google Play. And here you can see frequently asked questions. So if you have any question, you can just ask here. Okay, and you see, guys, here you can join them on the social media, for example, X, Telegram, Facebook, and Medium. And I highly recommend to follow them on Twitter, on X, so you can see the latest updates or the latest reports, repost, and replies. Okay, so now let's jump into spot trading. So let's click on spot from the top navigation. So as you see, guys, this layout is beautifully laid out for traders. On the left, you'll see the full list of trading pairs, so you can filter by category or search directly. So it's easy, the interface is friendly, easy, nothing is complicated. Center stage is your trading chart, so powered by Trading View. You can do full TA right here, so without switching tabs. Okay, and order books. So recent traders are on the right, so and down here you can buy, sell, so also on the future. Okay, and trading here is not only smooth, so it's cost effective, 0% fees on every spot trade, no strings attached. You keep 100% of your profit, period. Okay, now let's talk futures. So let's switch here on futures. You can click into futures and boom, the interface is pro grade. You get cross and isolated margin modes, leverage up to 100x real-time P&L tracking, deep liquidity for both measure and mind cap pairs. Okay, what's wild here is the fees structure. KCEX charges so 0%. So please keep in mind, so 0% for makers for make orders and 0.01% for taker orders. That's almost nothing. Compare that with the other exchanges, for example Binance or other exchanges. It's not even close. Okay, plus there is no fee battle with slippage, so KCEX has the liquidity to support it. Okay, so now let's head over to the wallet section. Okay, so let's go to the wallet. So you've got a super clear dashboard with balances across spots, futures, earns. So it's really easy and friendly. Deposit and withdrawal buttons, transaction history. So here is the kicker. Withdrawals on KCEX are 100% free, not just internal transfers. I mean on any chain, any token, zero withdrawal fees. Okay, whether you're moving Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT on Tron, for example RC20 or Solana, it's free. This alone could save you hundreds or thousands over time. Okay, so guys, now let's talk to the accessibility and support. Okay, so security wise, KCEX is solid even though it's KYC free. They've implemented strong authentication factor, anti-phishing tools, and cold wallet storage to keep your assets safe. Okay, because it's KYC free, setup takes less than a minute. You don't need to submit ID, selfies, or wait 48 hours. So you can deposit crypto and start trading instantly from almost anywhere in the world. And support 24/7 live chat. Okay, every time I reach out, I got a real response in under 5 minutes. Okay, so you love to see it. Now let's recap. So let's recap to the most important points. So 0% spot trading fees, free withdrawals on any chain, no KYC required, deep liquidity, and hundreds of pairs. Okay, and ultra low fees on futures. So KCEX isn't just another exchange. It's built for the trader, not for the house. You get to keep more of what you earn, move freely, and access a clean pro level interface. And if you're tired of being nickel and named on other platforms, give KCEX a serious look. You can check out the link below, set up your account in 30 seconds. So I will drop all links in the description, and start trading with zero fees today. Smash the like button if this video helped you. Hit subscribe if you want more real crypto reviews, and let me know in the comments what do you think about KCEX and would you switch. Okay, catch you in the next one.